Hi guys, I'm Kevin Evangelista. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a laptop, which is not surprising in and of itself, but it is very exciting for me because this video marks the return of me working with one of the brands I really love, Lenovo Legion. Now we're back to working together. Thank you Miss Trippy and Miss Mavic for sending this in. Yeah, we can start working with Lenovo Legion now. Don't worry, this is not a sponsored video, no money changed hands, I'm not being paid by Lenovo Legion or any other company to say good things about this product. I just have a really good history of working with them and owning some of their products. In actuality, my personal laptop, like the one I actually use for myself and is not a review unit, is actually a Lenovo Legion product. It's a Slim 7i from 2021. Back to the video at hand. This is a well-requested, actually the most requested laptop in my laptop reviews. So a lot of people have been asking, Kevin, when are you going to be reviewing the 2023 line of Legion laptops? Well, it's here now. For this video, we're going to be unboxing the big boy. I mean, you know me, I only usually review flagship products, and this is their flagship line. Actually, it's just one step below the actual like super flagship laptop. But yeah, it's still up there. It's still one of the most expensive that they have and one of the most powerful that they have in the lineup. This is the Legion Pro 7i for 2023. So yeah, let's get it unboxed and let's have our first impressions with it. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video is brought to you by SNK ATK Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to this link, you can find it in the description as well, to get 10% off your order from their site. Check their clothes out, you're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to SNK ATK for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. So yeah, big props to Lenovo. I mean, I can see that they're using fully cardboard everything. They've actually replaced the handles with, I think this is rattan or something. But yeah, I accidentally broke off one end, so I'm sorry, Miss Trippy. So yeah, let's get it unboxed. While I'm doing this, how's the new, like over the shoulder cam? You can see more in my perspective. And now you can't see me. There we go. Let's get this one unboxed, and I'm pretty sure this one is the laptop. I'm pretty sure this is the power brick. So yeah, I am correct. It is the power brick. What is this, a stylus? This is the power brick for the Legion Pro 7i 2023, and it is apparently a 330 watt power brick. Look at that. That's a lot of power. This is another smaller box. I am not sure what this is. I have never encountered this box before in Legion products. It's also unmarked. Is it like an accessory thing? It says Legion here. It is a rectangular box. Oh, okay. Look at that. These are replacement keycaps. I haven't seen anything like this before. It says here keycap removal. Oh, these are ceramic keycaps. Oh, wild. I don't know how to translate feel through a video, but yeah, this feels like a super premium ceramic keycap. I'm not sure if you can hear this one. Yeah, it is a pretty solid keycap. Wow, I didn't expect this. That was a pretty surprising thing for me to see. But yeah, we're definitely going to be covering this in the full review. Anyway, let's head on over to the actual laptop. So yeah, this is still biodegradable foam, and there's just a sleeve for the laptop. Alright, this is the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i for 2023. Oh man, if you're feeling what I'm feeling in my hands right now, this is like a solid tank of a laptop. It's all metal, it feels really solid, it feels heavy, but not in a bad way, in a good way, like heavy quality feeling. It looks really good. Let's take a tour of the ports. Here we have the 3.5mm audio jack. This looks like webcam e-shutter. So I hope it is a hardware disconnect, but we'll know in the full review. This is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A. Really good to see that. We have big exhaust ports here at the back, and at the back we also have ports. We have an RJ45. This is a USB-C power delivery port. This is an HDMI, probably an HDMI 2.1 FRL out. Two more USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A's, and the custom shaped power plug. This is something that I really wish Lenovo would change or improve. I mean, it is fine that you can plug it in either way. There's no right way up or down. But, I would still prefer like barrel plug for these, because you can rotate barrel plugs. Anyway, over on the left side, we have another USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and a Thunderbolt port. These are pretty nice. I mean, you get a total of 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A's. That's really good. It's pretty good. Let's look at the bottom of the laptop. Big vents, big vents. Expect in the full review that I'll be opening up this laptop and we're going to see its insides. Alright, let's open it up. Yeah, look at that. It is a bit dirty. I mean, it is a media unit, so this is not the first time that the laptop is going to be used. But yeah, look at that. Look at that, Webcam. Big 16:9 screen and a very familiar keyboard layout. This keyboard layout is home to me. Oh, but they changed the feel of the keyboard. It's probably no longer powered by Corsair iQ, because I know that Legion and Corsair have parted ways. So I'm not sure if what powers this, maybe SteelSeries, or maybe if it's in-house by Legion. But yeah, oh my god, the keyboard feels different now. It feels way different from the Slim 7i. My Slim 7i is kind of mushy. I mean, it's still okay, but this one is pretty crunchy. It's a crunchy keyboard. It still has a numpad. I still love it. That's the main reason why I went with the Slim 7i, because it's fairly light, it's fairly slim, and it has a numpad, which is very useful for me because I'm mainly a video editor. Alright, let's turn it on. Legion. I wish I had a bigger desk. I should get a bigger desk. So yeah, we've got the Legion 7i. I kind of have to put this at this angle on the table just so it'll be visible on Webcam, but anything I have to do to get my footage. Anyways, specs check for the Legion Pro 7i. The Legion Pro 7i 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HX, which has 32 CPUs running at 2.2 GHz. I think this turbos to beyond 5 GHz. We're running with 32 gigs of DDR5 4800 megatransfers per second RAM. We have the NVIDIA RTX 4080 laptop GPU with 12 gigs of GDDR6 memory. My god, this is a pretty solid laptop. A 2560 by 1600 display running at 240 Hz, and it is certified for VESA Display HDR 400. This is pretty wild. My god, it is an 8-bit display, but you win some, you lose some. My god, that was a really good display of specs. Okay, we're going to do Scarlet Fire. Alright, this is the Legion Pro 7i at max volume. Scarlet Fire. Sounds pretty good. It has some bass to it. Alright, I can respect the performance. It sounds really good. Alright, that's enough. The next part is probably gonna wake people up here. But yeah, it sounds really good. It has some bass to it. Next up is webcam. Oh, look at that. Your camera might be covered because of the e-shutter. Look at that. It is a hardware disconnect. So yeah, whenever you toggle the webcam like e-shutter here, it physically disconnects the webcam. So if you're very particular about your privacy, that's an important thing to know. It does disconnect your webcam from any power, so people can't spy on you. Yeah, and it looks pretty good. It is a 1080p webcam. It's not like the best 1080p I've seen. Some webcams have done better, but yeah, it is very far from the worst I've seen. This is fairly usable when it comes to streaming or doing Zoom calls, attending remote classes. Yeah, but don't expect to be using this to shoot any kind of YouTube content anytime soon. The mics sound like this. I'm only going to be able to review this when I'm editing this, but I hope it sounds good. So yeah, any comments I have about the mics will be saved for the full review. So yeah, Battlefield 2042, let's get this bread. So field of view, we're gonna put that up to the highest. Graphics settings, we're going with ultra everything because we're running the 4080 and we're running at full tilt, so we're going to be running everything at ultra. Ambient occlusion, HBAO full. Yeah, that's everything at ultra. Dynamic resolution scale on no, we're going to be using DLSS balanced. Ray traced ambient occlusion on. Reflex slow latency enabled plus boost. Vertical sync off. Alright, heading into the game. We're doing 131 FPS. Oh, this gun is a laser. Oh, this gun is a laser. Look at that. I'm lasering people from across the map. Look at that. How is this gun not considered cheating? Hey, you want ammo? Get ammo here. Whoa. Wait. Look at the laser. I'm firing my laser. Performance is really good. I am seeing zero stuttering and performance is really smooth. I mean, I'm not surprised, but I am impressed. Look at this game. Look at this laptop just eat up this game at max settings at 1600p. This is some monstrous performance right here. Look at me just running into gunfire. Done with the battlefield test. Passed with flying colors. What can I say? Legion, I am very happy with this laptop. I have this laptop for 3 weeks. That's the Legion Pro 7i. I am very happy with the performance, with the build. Anyways, I will be doing a full review on this. I will also be doing gaming tests on it, gaming benchmarks. I have been releasing some of those with the previous laptops that I've been reviewing. So yeah, check those out. It gives you like a good bearing about the performance of these laptops in different game benchmarks. So if you want to see the playlist on that, it's on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for SNK ATK Design Lab for being the presenters of this video. Don't forget to visit their website through the link in the description. When you go through that link, it'll give you 10% off your orders. So yeah, SNK ATK. Love these guys. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them in the full review. That's it. I'm Kevin Evangelista and I'm gonna be loading this up with games. A lot of games. See you guys in the next video. Bye.